Atong tuyuan ang lantapan, Bukidnon, diin dili lamang malaparaiso ang inyong makita, kundi naasad diri ang kinalamian na local version na sizzling beef Wagyu. Nga itudlo sa ato ni El Paso Restaurant Chef Shannon Nicole Lopez sa atong Bisaya food trip. Let us watch this.
Atong gyadtuan ang barangay Songko, Lantapan, Bukidnon, din dili lang mga patsada nga matalanawon ang atong makita, kundi taliwala sa mga dagkong kahoy ug kabukiran ato usab makita ang bagong kananan na El Paso Restaurant. Tudluan ta ni Shannon Nicole Odulio sa ilang pagluto sa lokal na bersyon ug ilang specialty na sizzling beef Wagyu in buttered gravy.
Hi, good day. My name is Shannon and I'm here to introduce to you our place. We're called El Paso. It's located in Songko, Lantapan, and I'm here to show you the specialty of the house. It's called sizzling Wagyu in buttered gravy. So we're gonna heat the pan mga 180 degrees. Tapos we're gonna melt the butter. What we have here, nami pre-cooked Wagyu already for about like 2 to 3 minutes. Dayon. Nanakoy steamed veggies, carrots, cauliflower, and then boiled potatoes, and also buttered corn and carrots. So once the pan is heated, as soon as you hear the sizzle, we're gonna add the beef. Marinated ni siya in salt and pepper, and we added something kamira na kabalo. Secret recipe. Usually, pag nami gatherings, this is usually what we serve sa amo ang guests or amo ang relatives whenever we have parties. Karon, I'm gonna put the gravy. So, I'm gonna add the steamed carrots para plating. Usually, mga 5 minutes, okay na siya. Pero it depends kung unsay gusto sa guest. Usually, they like it rare, medium rare, or kanang medium well. Pero mas lami gid siya nga rare kung Wagyu. So, this is the finished product. Muna ni siya.
Gawa sa sizzling beef Wagyu, aduna po sila lechon kawali, sweet and sour fish, beef broccoli, breaded fish, creamy carbonara, Japanese-styled salad, ug uban pa. Sa mga gustong mag-relax, mag-enjoy, mag-celebrate kauban ng mga barkada o pamilya, apli ang El Paso para kaninyo.
Currently, we just started our business mga a month ago, and we're only open for exclusive bookings and reservations. So for now, we do not accept walk-ins, but probably mid-December or late December, we're gonna open to the public and see how it goes, and if our business clicks, we're gonna open up our coffee shop and our bar outside this venue. Soon, we're gonna open our camping, and we also are constructing our kanang glamping for guests who want to stay overnight. So I'm just gonna invite everyone to please visit our place. We only have the restaurant to offer now, but soon as the COVID pandemic is done, and as soon as next year starts, we'll open to the public. And for reservations, you may contact me through our Facebook page, which is El Paso 2020. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.
Sa kanindot sa view sa El Paso ug sa cowboy vibe nini, sure jud na mag-enjoy mo.
Daghang salamat, Shannon, sa imong pag-share sa inyong sizzling beef Wagyu. By the way, mga higala, ang El Paso Restaurant located sa Lantapan, Bukidnon.